Oh, what are you doing?
Damn it. What are you doing sitting here with all your trash, huh?
Sir, it was all my food for the day.
Who cares? I want this cleaned up. And I want it to shine. Hear me?
What about my lunch?
Now, I'm gonna take as a compensation for my emotional damage.
Don't get it off me!
Hey, what do you think you're doing? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, sir, I haven't had a lunch like this for 100 years. Thank you.
Come on, don't be a fool. All right.
Oh, sir, thank you.
Take care, buddy.
Yeah.
Sir, well, the thing is that, unfortunately, the restaurant was closed.
Am I supposed to stay hungry all day?
No, of course not. I'll go and order something straight away.
Great, thanks.
Sir, I would never do such a thing.
Hey, buddy. Thank you. I'm so glad I met you today. Hey, what happened?
That jerk set me up. I don't know how to look my boss in the eye anymore.
You were supposed to clean the mess.
I didn't have time. I was eating the lunch this kind man gave me.
Let him go. What's that?
Sir, what are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm fixing your disgusting behavior.
Okay.
Listen, I might be the strict boss, but there's one thing that I value above all else, and that's humanity. You're fired. Get out of here. Listen, I'm so sorry if this car caused you some troubles today. You know, it looks like none of us have had a proper lunch today. Why don't we all go out to the super best restaurant on me?
Absolutely.
Let's go.